What's up everyone, this is Chris with Flat 6 Motorsports, and today we're going to be installing a set of Akrapovic Link Pipes on this 718 GT4. Look. Alright, so we're about halfway through the job now, and I figured I'd stop to show you guys the differences between the factory link pipes and our new Akrapovic link pipes. So these factory pipes have a built-in OPF filter, so something designed to reduce the emissions of the vehicle, and it is required now overseas, and it's slowly making its way over to the US. These are like a secondary catalytic converter in a way, and on the European models they would use a set of sensors to determine their efficiency. But today we're going to be replacing these clunky OPF filters with a set of Akrapovic link pipes. So these Akrapovic link pipes come in a full titanium construction. They even have this really neat exhaust heat shielding, which keeps the engine bay temperatures down. Now, besides the titanium providing a really unique sound, it also provides a ton of weight savings. So the factory link pipes weigh about 12 pounds each, and these new link pipes weigh about 4 pounds each. So you get a ton of weight savings, better sound, better exhaust flow, and more power. So let's go ahead and throw these on the car. Are they? All right, so we've got the link pipes installed. They look really nice here on the car, but we're gonna go ahead and install our wheels so we can lower this car back to the ground and hear how they sound. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and drop a thumbs up or comment down below, subscribe, and check us out at flat6motorsports.com.